Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about conditional formatting with shapes on Excel. What is conditional formatting on Excel? Well, conditional formatting allows you to highlight cells based on certain criteria. For example, if you want to make a cell, highlight a cell to show that it's equal to another cell, or if it's higher than, like, higher in value than another cell. So when do you use conditional formatting? So you use it when you want to emphasize on unusual values like high values and low values, and to visualize the data by using data bars and color scales. So I'll be showing you how to do this in the demo that I'll be showing you right now. So here we are on our Excel sheet, and to start off we will click on a random cell. I'm just going to click on this cell here, and I'll fill it in with a color, maybe like a green, and then I'll type in a random number. So probably I'm just going to do 1 first. And then you are going to press copy. You're going to copy it, and then go up here, the left hand corner, and up here it says paste. Click on the arrow below, and where it says other paste options, click on the one that says linked picture. So linked picture right here. So click on it, and you pull it out, and it will be here. And it's going to be a linked picture which means when you change the value over here, so 2, it will change over there too, because both of these, the picture and the cell, are linked. Now, to change the number and the color, we will click on the cell and go to conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting, and over here it says highlight cells rules, and I'll be doing equal to. So there's greater than, less than, between, and then equal to, which is the fourth one. Click on equal to, and I will type, 2 is equal to, we'll do red fill with dark green text, and then we'll say OK. And then again go to conditional formatting again, highlight cell rules, equal to, and then type 1, a random number, whichever number you want. I'm doing 1. And then we can do yellow filled with dark yellow text. Go OK. And then I'm just going to do the last one. Go to highlight cell rules, equal to again, and then 3. And I'll do light red fill. I'll say OK. And now when we change the number to 1 over here and go enter, it will change to the light yellow with the dark yellow text. And when we do 2, it will change to the green. And then when we do 3, it will change to red. So I hope you guys learned something in this video. It was a pretty short video, but I'm sure you all learned something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys next time.